You look at a scenario today in e-governance, sub-registrar's office. Goa's sub-registrar office are one of the most corrupt offices of the state. I will make this statement firmly. I have brought it to the notice of respective people. But today, before e-governance, your sale deed was getting registered in 24 hours and you were getting a copy. Today, with e-governance, it takes 20 days for an office from Panjim to get a sub-registrar. One of the sub-registrar is clean, but others are pathetic. You look at Mapsa sub-registrar, pathetic. Appointment tak 50,000-60,000 rupees घेतात. This is not happening at a political level. This is happening at an officer level. Even people are asking part of your property. Some cases they have asked, can you give me 4,000 square meter plot? Things have reached to that level. He is harassing people everywhere.